everybody. Let's chat, snip, and glue book, and my magazine only glue book. All right, I have magazines that this is 2021 that was left over from 2021, so I'm going to use this. Remember, they were $9.99 at that time. I don't know this year how much they are because in this bundle, because I found a lot of my old ones. Doesn't mean I'm not going to buy a new one, but here we are. This is the last one we did, and autumn by. It was really a pretty season this year, really pretty. So we have the new page, really clear. Well, I'm going to have to cut this video down. It was a lengthy video. I had a good time filming it and things like that, playing in my Christmas glue book. But when I had started filming this, it wasn't long after that somebody started cutting down their tree. And I ignored it. I kept going. You could see where, not right now because I've cut it out, but you could see and hear when I realized that they were making a whole lot of noise. Well, when I went to go edit the video, this has got to be the fourth or fifth time I've sat down to try to edit this video. So much has been going on in the last 2 weeks. But when I first listened to it, I said, oh, I'll just keep it in because I wanted to keep everything in it. And I said, it'll be okay. You know, people who enjoy hearing noises in the background will keep it on and others won't, you know, and that's okay. But as I thought about it, then I listened to it with my earphones on. By the second or third time I had to come and sit down and look at it, when I had time, I could really hear how bad it sounded. Because when the blade of the saw hit resistance with the tree, you could hear it, the screech, and it was awful. It was really awful. So I don't know if they were cutting down trees or really cutting back their branches, but it just was awful, and it was getting closer and things like that. I don't know, but it ruined the video. Needless to say, I'm disappointed. But it is what it is. So I had to cut down the video. Oh gosh, yes. So we will play a little bit of music, and we hope that next time I will really be able to hang out with you like I had wanted to in this video. Gosh, yeah. Anyway, oh, I will come back at the end of the video and chat with you a little bit more. Well, thanks for watching, friends. Here's the final reveal. It wasn't my favorite, but I had a good time, and that's why I'm disappointed again that I had to cut this down because it was 55 minutes. It was chocked full. Yes, yes, I talked nonstop in this one too. I had a lot to say, and but for that tree, or was it a couple of trees they had to cut down? I don't know because I never did realize where the trees. Maybe it was in the person's backyard. or they were pruning back their branches or something like that because I didn't see it. But anyway, it ruined the video because it screeched through the whole time that I was recording. But again, thank you so very much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.